All right, guys, quick little how-to video. So, yeah, man, driving down the street, smelling some rubber burning. I'll make this video as quick as possible because I know how y'all like them quick videos. Idler pulley went out on me, the smooth idler pulley. So this what happened. All the grooves burned up. It burned down to this. I don't know where the pulley went. The pulley went off. You're gonna need a T50 to take this out. And here go the replacement. And I got a replacement belt. I got the Duralast one because O'Reilly's didn't have a metal one in stock. So the issue is this thing came plastic, man. So it burnt up. You can see how it's kind of burnt all around the edges. So I went and got a metal one. It's gonna be a little bit more weight, but we ain't gonna have to worry about this. We don't have to worry about that issue of us being stuck on the side of the road because our pulley want to give out on us. So yeah, you're gonna need a T50 to take off that. I forgot what it's called, star or hex type. I got the new belt. Here you go. So if you wanna, let me see what size this. In order to take off the tensioner, you need a 5/8. So you're gonna take off this 5/8 tensioner right here. It's gonna go to the right. It's gonna pull up. You're gonna take that off. Take off the belt. Take it off the supercharger, and you can see how it's kind of routed right here. So if you want to screenshot that if your car don't have it, or you can go on Google and just look it up like I did. Type in idler pulley or smooth idler pulley, and then you can get that thing fixed, man. This quick and easy job. All you need is a ratchet, a 5/8, and a T50 right here. And I'll show y'all the finished product once it's done. T50, there we go. All right, we'll be back. All right, guys, we're back. I got that belt on there, everything running smooth. Another pulley down there. I'm back on the road now. All right, guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you like this video. Also, I'll be coming at you with more car tips, car reviews. Let me know what you want to see. Holler at y'all on the next one.